There's few important tricks on this Samsung Galaxy device. This is One UI 8 and I'm going to show you 5 different tricks on this phone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so because there's so many new features on this phone and I'm going to show it to you. First of all, if you look at this folder right here and if I hold this, I can actually adjust any size whatever I want. And how do I do this? This is actually based on One UI 8. If you don't have One UI 8, you cannot do this. So first of all, we have to go to Good Lock. So when we go to Good Lock, we have to go to Home Up. And if you haven't used Home Up, you should use Home Up as soon as possible. So right now, we're going to go to the Home Up right here. And there's 2 things you want to turn on and off. So we're going to go to Home Screen. Right here, DIY, make sure you turn that off. Alright, and now if you go all the way to the bottom, large folder, turn it on. Now once you turn this on, now you can actually control your folder whatever you want. You can go to minimum size, you can stretch down whatever you want. Alright, so this is feature number 1. Feature number 2, maybe it's a very old feature, but this is a very useful feature. If you have any notification from the top, you can hold this and drag it down, okay? And then drop it here. Now you create a mini screen. If you actually want to create the full screen, you just need to pull on the top and then that's it. And this is feature number 2. Feature number 3. Let's just say if you have something right here and you want to do copy and paste. On YouTube, you cannot really do copy and paste because it's stuck. Now what you can do is you can go to circle to search, hold this and tap it, highlight it, and now you can do copy or translate. Or if you want to do the whole page translate, you just need to press this button right there and will translate the whole entire page into another language. Right at the bottom here, you can translate whatever you want. Okay, press this and then you can see there's so many different languages you can translate. This is feature number 3. So the Google or the Samsung app, if you actually press and hold the icon, there's a lot of shortcuts. You can see that, okay? Lots of shortcuts. And now when you see the shortcut, you just hold it. Let's just say I want to set timer as in my shortcut. You hold it and you can put it into your home page. And then that's it. Now every time when you press this, it will set up a timer. Pretty simple, but this is very useful because if you use this a lot, this is actually pretty cool. Let's just say if you're ready to write something, a long paragraph or whatever, if you have a Samsung keyboard, they can help you to write whatever you want. All you have to do is you press the start button right there and then compose right down here. And now you want to let the Samsung know what type of format you want, emails, social media, comments. And how do you want it, polite, casual, or professional? And right here, you just need to tell them a brief summary. I went to this event and it's cool. And then they press generate and they will write the whole entire paragraph for you. And sometimes, most of the time actually, it's actually pretty cool. You just press insert or copy for something else as well too. They can help you to write emails, social medias, comments, things like that, all right? And these are the 5 features you need to know on your Samsung Galaxy device. Please subscribe my channel and share this video and have a good day. Bye bye, peace out.